Red car is moving faster than white car. We can calculate the velocity of each car based on the distance traveled by each car in the same amount of time. How about these windmills? Which one is rotating faster? For circular or rotational motion, we take into account curvature or rotation of the motion. In this case, we calculate angular velocity instead of linear velocity. Let us learn more about it with this activity. We will take a circular thick plastic sheet and pushpins. Pushpins can be easily attached as well as removed from the plastic. Plastic sheet attached to the pencil can be rotated by hand, or we can attach a motor to it. Uniform rotation is easier when motor is used. Let us fix a graph paper to this cardboard box. This will help in measurements like x and y coordinates, angles marked with lines, and radians marked with black dots. We will use this digital clock to measure time duration in seconds. Pushpin is rotating in a circular path. Change in position can be measured in terms of angle. Right now, it is at 30 degrees. It took 1 second to cover this angle from rest, that is 0 degree. Now, it has moved to a new position in another second. It is at 60 degrees position from where it initially started. The change in angle is 30 degrees. We can calculate angular velocity as a change in angle divided by change in time. Angular velocity is represented by the symbol omega, that is delta theta divided by delta t. Change in angle, that is delta theta, is 30 degrees, while change in time, that is delta t, or time taken to cover this difference, is 1 second. Angular velocity of the pushpin is 30 degrees per second for this part of the rotation. Pushpin moves from 90 degrees to 180 degrees in 1 second. Change in angle for this segment is 90 degrees and time taken delta t is 1 second. Angular velocity for this part of the rotation is 90 degrees per second. Pushpin covers another 180 degrees in 3 seconds. For this part, its angular velocity is 180 degrees divided by 3, that is 60 degrees per second. As angular velocity of the pushpin is changing during rotation, we can say that it is performing non-uniform circular motion. Angular velocity refers to how fast an object rotates or revolves relative to another point. Angular velocity can be measured in radians as well. In this case, pushpin has moved 3 radians in 9 seconds. Let us explore uniform circular motion. Here, pushpin moves the first quadrant, that is 90 degrees, in 2 seconds. This is true for second, third and fourth quadrant as well. Angular velocity of the pin is same for all the 4 quadrants. It is 45 degrees per second. We can say that in this case, pin is moving in uniform circular motion. In 2 dimensions, angular velocity is the number with a plus or minus sign indicating orientation, but not pointing in any direction. By convention, positive angular velocity indicates counterclockwise rotation, while negative angular velocity indicates clockwise rotation. There is another term, angular frequency, which has the same symbol. We will discuss about this in the next video. Achieving constant speed with hand is challenging. This motor rotates at 10 revolutions per minute. I attached this card sheet disc to the motor. Pulley ratio enabled me to change the speed of this pushpin. Do try this at home.